Congratulations! Many, many congratulations to you, Mr. Terry. I request our chief guest to kindly honor the winner of the trophy. But all of you guys, you are fantastic.
अखियाँ बिछाई मैंने तेरे लिए, दुनिया भुलाई मैंने तेरे लिए।
Do you think this Mr. Arunachal pageant creates any social impact? If so, how? And if not, why?
Thank you, ma'am, for the beautiful question. Pageants, visually, with sounds, with everything, it is a platform where people see you, people hear you, people learn to understand what you do, people get to know you. So pageants are the place where we can place examples, where we can place a lot of teachings, and that way, visually, you're already in a generation where people are tired. So for that reason, pageants are a platform where people learn, people get inspired. Be it any kind of pageant show, but still the inspiration never stops. That way, Mr. Arunachal is a big platform.
If you could start one campaign in Arunachal, what would it be and why?
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. If I got an opportunity to start a campaign in Arunachal Pradesh, then I will definitely promote vocational training. I mean vocational education. Because everyone in Arunachal Pradesh, especially the youth, the young generation, everyone couldn't get a good quality education or being able to educate in high institutes. So I believe by promoting vocational training, our youth will be skilled from which they will able to earn for themselves and become self-employed and will able to generate employment. So I strongly believe that vocational training must be promoted in Arunachal Pradesh because we have to sustain for ourselves. Thank you.
So my question to you is how unique or special you are from the rest of the contestants?
I believe we all contestants are unique in our own way. what makes me unique from every other contestant is my upbringing and my experience, the life that I have lived and the lesson that I have learned. How I would tackle a challenge no one else could. That's what makes me unique. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you very much. Absolutely fantastic. So may I kindly... The second runners-up is Vivek Changsho. Congratulations. Many congratulations to you. I kindly request our previous year's winners to kindly step forward. And to the honor, I also request our chief guest sir to kindly honor the winner, the second runners-up, with the trophy. So ladies and gentlemen, the first runners-up of Mr. Arunachal, the 8th edition 2026 is, I did get that, it is Nabam Tada. Congratulations. Many congratulations. I kindly request our judges to please step forward, and also our chief guest sir to honor with the trophy, the bouquet, like the sash. To my heart when I saw you tonight, like a dream come alive for the very first time. When we touch in the dark. Vivek Changsho, the first runners-up, Nabam Tada. And now comes the winner. For sharing, congratulations! Many congratulations to you, for sharing. I request our chief guest sir to kindly honor the winner with the trophy. But all of you guys, you are fantastic. Thank you very much for being here. Thank you. And with us, ladies and gentlemen, we have the two winners. The three winners. Contestant number 8, number 17, and number 7. Hearty congratulations to all of you.
जिस तरह से आपने देखा है कि अभी ये कंक्लूड हो चुका है मिस्टर अरुणाचल, आप क्या कहना चाहोगे?
ये देखिए, एक दिस इज ग्रैंड फिनाले ऑफ 8 मिस्टर अरुणाचल। तो आज हमें चीफ गेस्ट के रूप में बुलाया गया था। तो ये जो है हमारा एक कैलेंडर इवेंट्स है हमारा स्टेट का। इसी प्रकार का हमारा अरुणाचल में बहुत कैलेंडर इवेंट्स रखा गया है, जिसको कमिंग जनरेशन यानी कि यूथ को हम एंगेज करने का उसका हिडन टैलेंट को हम लोग एक्सप्लॉइट करने का, हमारा उसको पार्टिसिपेट करने का। अगर अभी आज ये जो मिस्टर अरुणाचल है, मिस अरुणाचल है, अरुणाचल आइडल है, अरुणाचल सुपर डांसर है, इसी प्रकार हमारा गवर्नमेंट जो है सबको नौकरी तो नहीं दे सकता है, लेकिन इसको हम लोग नेशनल इंटरनेशनल इवेंट के लिए हम लोग रखा गया है, क्योंकि सो दैट आप लोग जो एक्सपर्ट है उसी में हो, आप भाग ले और अपना प्रोफेशनल वे में ले जाए।
ओके सर, जिस तरह से आज हमने देखा कि बहुत मतलब सभी तो कंटेस्टेंट जीत नहीं सकते हैं ना सर, उनके लिए आपको कुछ करना है जो आज नहीं जीत सके मिस्टर अरुणाचल का टाइटल या कुछ भी सब टाइटल हो ना।
देखिए, मैं तो यही मेरा स्पीच में भी बोला है, दैट्स कंपटीशन में जो है पार्ट ऑफ जो एक लूज करेगा, एक विनिंग करेगा, जिसमें उसको आप मायूस नहीं होना है। जो भी लूजर है इसमें तो आउट ऑफ 18 पार्टिसिपेंट्स एक को ही तो मिलना था, तो इसीलिए जो नहीं मिला है उसको भी ये बोलो। मेरा बोलना ये है कि आप ड्यूरिंग कोर्स ऑफ ट्रेनिंग यू माइट हैव गेन सो मेनी नॉलेज, एक्सपीरियंस, और जो हमारा जो बोलता है कि आप मतलब आपका नॉलेज गेन कर सके। और आप इसको जो लूजर है उसको मैं वही बोलूँगा कि आप इसको आप विफन के जैसे आप लेके चैलेंजिंग करके और आगे बढ़ने के लिए करना चाहिए।
You can look at my face, I'm sweating, and it was a wonderful crowd, and I'm feeling elated. Wonderful. Electrifying. So good.
Okay, so how was your experience like throughout this journey? Like, आपको कितना difficulties face करना पड़ा है to reach this journey, ना? Ending position, आपको कितना कैसे आपको?
It was a very wonderful journey, and we learned a lot throughout this journey, especially when we went to Shergaon, and it was a very wonderful place that they chose because of the community and the people there and their connection with the nature and their connection with the preservation of the culture, and that's where we learned the most. And speaking about difficulty, it was, all of us, it was the first time for all of us, and we had to learn. Tanya sir and all the other event organizers and members, they helped us a lot throughout the journey. And all of us, all 18 of us, we were deserving, but what happens is we lack some aspects, and that's where we can earn points. And although it was difficult, but all of us, we give our best, and it turns out that I was one of the people who gave my 100%.
Okay, so
pageants like this, they have a very negative perspective in the society that everything is scripted, or a lot of things, other negative things happen in this pageants. But it's not like that. Pageants like this give voices to individuals, and it has given voice to all 18 of us. And when we are speaking today, we are speaking with purpose because of this pageant. And when we do that, when we speak with purpose, that's when the society listens, and that's when history is created, and that's what I want my legacy to be.
Tacho, who is also the second runner-up of our Mr. Arunachal 2026. So first of all, a huge congratulations to you today.
Thank you so much.
You did so well, and you performed so well. Okay, so along with the second runners-up title, what other titles you have? Go on.
Well, I'm holding the title for Mr. Popular Viewer's Choice, so I'm very proud of myself for that.
Okay, so tell us about the experience you went through this journey.
The experience in this journey was actually a very beautiful one, because we were not here just as contestants, we were here as some people, strangers actually, who came, who met each other, who started learning things, understanding things, and at the end of the day, we all came to understand that we are not here just for the challenge, we are here to learn something new about ourselves too. So that way, with my brothers, with all my brothers here, with all the guys who have, because each one of them helped me bring up my qualities better in me. So that way, this journey was a very powerful one, a very, very wisdom-taking one. So right now, I'm really proud of that, and I'm really happy with that.
Okay, so apart from serious questions, we all noticed that you had so many supporters tonight. So, आपके साथ आज कौन आए हैं?
मेरे पूरा खानदान साथ में. To be very honest, I'm really happy that they all are here. I didn't expect all of them to be here. It was actually a surprise to me also. So thank you for all for coming. Thank you so much.
I was actually not here for title but for experience. So अभी जैसा अभी तक का जर्नी है उसमें बहुत कुछ सीखा and I improved myself a lot. तो इसी की वजह से फर्स्ट रनर मिला है मेरे को. उसके बाद and I'm also a title holder of.
Okay, that's so nice. So for Mr. Fitness, आपने क्या किया जो आपको Mr. Fitness मिला? Like throughout your experience, like आपने कुछ like heavy workout किया या कुछ extra किया than other contestants?
Everyone was working hard, but I would like to say कुछ contestants बहुत थे, मतलब competition तो बहुत tough था, but I did better than them.